Hi everyone, welcome back to today's live stream. Alright, and now it's already Friday, and today we have three important news that will publish around 2:30 p.m. Hi everyone, welcome back to today's live stream. Okay, as you can see on 1 hour time frame, the bearish momentum is continued at the closing price of previous 1 hour candle is just stop at 59.4950. Alright, and the current candles is lying below EMA. So this is show you a very strong downtrend in the short term. So is it okay for you to hear me right now, my friends? If yes, please comment okay to let me know. Is it okay to hear my voice now? I would like to check the microphone. Is the signal is okay for you to hear me right now? Okay, so let me take a look in 5-minute time frame. Hi everyone. Hello friends. Okay, so are you holding any position right now? Okay, I'm very happy if I receive your comment on the chat box. Hi, welcome back, my friends. Vimalan. By now, should we? Gold price is heading around 45 to 44, 4 times. So are you holding any position right now? Okay, can't hear you. So is this okay for you to hear me right now? Yeah, I'm good. Thank you so much for your asking. Okay, my friends, can you hear me now? Yeah, if yes, let's comment. Okay, yeah, to let me know that the signal is going well. How about you, my friends? I hope that your trading results is getting well. All right, thank you so much, Taz. This is 1 minute time frame. Yeah, you can see that gold price is continue to the bearish pressure. Okay, just a blink of an eye and it's heading down below 44. Yeah, it's break down below 44. But I don't think, yeah, that's the bullish momentum will come back in the short term. Oh no, I didn't advise you to buy again. Yeah, it's kind of dangerous for us to buy again because it already hit 44 level about 5 times. Okay, so there are some technical issues relating to Wi-Fi connection. So please wait me for a while and I need to change the Wi-Fi address. Thank you so much for your kind understanding. Yeah, there's some technical issues and I just connect to another Wi-Fi connection. All right, and it's dropping down 42 and heading to 48. Anyone re-enter for buy signal once again? All right, and because the market is still move in high volatility, so if you enter any trade, yeah, let's try to set up the stop loss immediately as fast as you can. All right, and according to 1 hour time frame, yeah, market is got a reaction at the neckline area. As you can see, this pattern is established. All right, and this time, yeah, if we enter any buy signal, be careful for your trading volume, okay? Because we are bet to the market that the support of buyers will come back this price zone. All right, this is a very sensitive area. Yeah, we're in the intersections, and now we are trying to follow the buyers, right? Follow a buyer side. However, if you're a scalper, quick in, quick out, because this is the sensitive level. All right, the neckline can be break down, and that is the confirmation for the market for this double top pattern. And now the current candles, the current candlesticks is still lying below EMA. Yeah, this shows you the short-term downtrend is continue. Five minutes more. Yeah, you can see the last 5 minutes candle. Yeah, it's nearly a doji one, right? Just shows you the indecisions between sellers and buyer. If you hold any buy position around 41 to 42, I think you can move your stop loss to this break even. All right, and wait for the further take profit. At least this 5 minute candle close with a very strong candle. Yeah, and it will fill this ferrule gap area. So anyone hold the buy position around 42 to 44? Anyone? Come on, feel free to interact with me in today's live stream. And there will be a ferrule gap around here because of the strong bearish momentum. If this 5 minute candle close with a significant price level, I think that this price gap, the ferrule gap, can be filled. Okay, so let's wait for a better price zone to enter for this buy signal. Okay, you are enter buy position around 59.50. Okay, no, not yet. I am not enter public and the official signal right now because I'm waiting for a better entry. Now I'm waiting for how is this one 5 minute candle close, and I will give you my decision. So you can see, it's got the immediately bullish rejection when it touched to 53. So that means this ferrule gap is not easy for gold market to feel it right now. Let's wait how this 5 minute candle close. Hmm. 20 seconds left. You enter before live. Oh, I think that if you enter before live, the better position is just around 41 to 42. Let's see. Yeah, you can see that in 1 minute, 5 minute candle. Yeah, the body of this candle can move up to 70 pips. Okay, so if you want to enter any good position, you need to be patient. And it's better to come back around 44. Because we're scalper, so our stop loss level is very tight. Yeah, that's why I would consider for a better position for you to enter for safety. Yeah, let's waiting. Okay. Yeah, gold price is now is still accumulating around 49 to 50, right? So let's see in 1 minute time frame what is going on. Yeah, you can see that it's in the middle area. So it can be dropped down or break out and increase quickly. All right, so this time market is challenging our patience, right? If we FOMO to the current price zone, yeah, it can drop down significantly. Okay, 1 minute candle starting for the panic sell. Yeah, because 49.44, yeah, has already got the bullish momentum for many times, at least 5 times. So yeah, I am hesitate. I'm hesitate to enter for buy signal once again at this area. Because this support zone, yeah, it's already got a bullish reaction many times, and you can see that when it touched to 53 and it got immediately bullish rejection. So that is the market is telling you, yeah, we are not ready for the buyers. Like I told you, yeah, we are in the neckline, yeah, of 1 hour candle double top pattern. So this neckline area is very, very sensitive. Okay, and as I remember, last time I shared with you about ADP non-farm payrolls result, and they're coming up next, non-farm employment chain. Oh, why I cannot choose this? Let me show you the result between two economic news. Okay, let me show you. ADP non-farm, right? ADP non-farm employment chain. We got the negative result to the US economy. However, non-farm employment chain, yeah, you can see the current result is move in a opposite direction, right? So I think, yeah, most of the time, these results will be moved in the opposite direction. All right, so this is another clue for you if you receive the result of ADP non-farm employment chain first, and you will discuss and analysis by yourself for the upcoming ADP non-farm employment chain and give you the correct trading direction. And I still remember when we trade news, yeah, on Wednesday, it's very quickly for us to receive 700 pips winning. Yeah, 700 pips winning rate as winning profit from one sell signal, because yeah, gold price is under a lot of selling pressure with this positive news of the US economy. All right, once again, it's touch to 52. Yeah, 52. All right, and I can see, yeah, there is a short-term uptrend, right, in 1 minute time frame. Wow, super fast, but easy to break down. Okay, my friends, are you still watching the live stream? All right, we can bet to the market to buy small lot. Yeah, buy small lot. $49.44. Wow. 242. Oh dear, it just hit the stop loss. Okay, yeah, market is very quickly. Wow, so what should we do now? I'm even not type the signal on time, so I think that we should cancel this one, because yeah, this is not effect to enter. Yeah, this signal is not effect to enter because I didn't type the signal on time for everyone to get set the stop loss level. All right, I hope you didn't enter for this one. So we should cancel it. Okay, liquidity sweep just been done. Heading down to 43, 33. It's break down the neckline. It just break down the neckline. Hello, are you still watching the live stream with me? Hello? Alright, I set up a sell signal. Around 40 to 42 to let everyone to enter. So let's wait that it will come back for us to trade. Uptrend or downtrend? Right now, yeah, it's break down the neckline, so I think that market will heading to the bearish momentum. Yeah, in the overlapping time between the London to New York session. All right, it come back. Yeah, it's near to our entry. It's coming back near to our entry for sell signal, my friends. Let's pay attention to the current entry. You can enter small lot to get the position. All right, enter enough sell position. Don't try to FOMO, okay? Don't try to FOMO. Stop loss will be set around 45. Okay, let's wait how it just look like. I would like to change the color into red, yeah, to indicate for the resistance zone. What is going on in 1 minute? It's coming back around 44 once again. Yeah, of course it will have delays because I live stream through OBS. Yeah, so there will be delay. All right, so the signal gets false. Yeah, false. Stop loss hit. So we got trapped. Yeah, we got trapped once again because I thought that the market got confirmation. Yeah, it's break down from this trend line. However, it hit our stop loss and then continue to the bearish momentum. It's kind of rough. Oh dear, hit for the stop loss and now reverse. Yeah, to our analysis. That's so annoyed. Yeah, it's heading to our entry once again. Sell again. Should we sell again? First one got false. Sell again, sell again. I don't think market trap us once again. Okay, so again now at 46, at 36. Yeah, market will move quickly, so I will write this signal in short. Follow me closely, okay? Picture of Nova and voice don't match. Could you reload it? Yeah, because I got some issues with the Wi-Fi connection. Okay, the next 20 pips. 20 pips. $36. Okay. Come on. I think that there's more chance for the market is under the bearish momentum. Stop loss I will be set closely a little bit. They're strong struggling between buyers and sellers around 36 to 37, as you can see in 1 minute time frame. Okay, then asset right now. Asset it right now. Yeah, you see this is the small gap. This very strong panic sell. Bearish candle, and it's easy to fill this gap. Alright, let's follow my lead, exit this trade. It's easily filled above gap. Don't try to enter the trade for many layers, because now, market is easily trapped the sellers. And I can see the strong bullish momentum is coming back, and that's why I advise you to exit the trade. Double bottom pattern in 1 minute time frame. Yeah, it's right from the neckline. Maybe liquidity sweep. Yeah, it can be happened. And 44 to 45 price zone is a decision, and you can see, yeah, it's sweep for our stop loss if we enter for sell signal. right? Like this one. We entered for sell direction and it hit our stop loss. And when we when we decide to sell again, we just got a small profit and then it swept the stop loss once again. So for me, gold market in today New York session is kind of rough for us to trade. So you can see that it break out. It's break out from this neckline in 1 hour time frame for double top pattern, and it continue to reverse. So market is not easy to guess right now. So this is the proof for you. Sometimes market will support our analysis by on our knowledge from theory, technical analysis lesson. However, it will be like this. Will be like this case, very difficult and challenging our analysis. You can see it's very annoyed and liquidity sweep for this case. Obviously, it just breaks down to a neckline. However, it cannot continue to its definite bearish momentum, right? According to our lesson that we learned. However, it reversed at 33, 49, 33 level. And you see, market continues to form the below candle wicks. Below candle wicks. That is the proof for market makers are hunting for liquidity and stop loss right now. When it heading to 47, and once again it got a bearish bullish rejection. Alright, and in this sensitive time Friday, market will very challenging. So let's see how it does 5-minute candle close. It can happen for any case. It is now. If the price close below 44, market is telling us the sellers is control the market. Oh, you have a view buy, but for me, if the current price 5-minute time frame candle price is close below 44 to 45, it will show you the current bearish momentum. It's nearly freeze. You see that it's not clearly. It's not clearly for the support from sellers or buyers at the moment. If we enter wrong position, it easily sweep our stop loss, because now big players, market makers, they understand that it gives you the signal that market is follow the sellers right now, and you set the stop loss around 50 to 49, and now you can see another bullish candle is gradually heading to the stop loss level we are about to set. Right? Let's wait more and everything will get clearer when it exits this sensitive area. And I will continue to upload the the signals in the VIP channels. And if you want to trade news with me, you're welcome to access to my VIP channel, my friend. So you can see price is just wandering around 40 to 45. Yeah, and it didn't give you clear direction at all, right? Eventually that we know market closed below the neckline area, below 45, and that is the correction, the confirmations for the sellers is controlling the market. Up next, however, you see the next 5-minute candle is the bullish one. Yeah, it's obviously nonsense, but now it's happened. So you see, it's chaos. Market is chaos and very challenging for our setup or our strategy. Follow to any lessons about technical analysis. Yeah, that is how I told you market is hunting for liquidity and stop loss all the time. And of course, market will allow us to win. Yeah, it cannot let us lose many times, right? Because they need to feed us first, and then we will become our bait when we grow up, when our account grow up. So that is the proof, the evidence for you. Yeah, if you join today's live stream session, you will see. Yeah, you will see this scenario continue to happen many times. If we enter the sell signal below around 43 to 44, yeah, it's already hit the stop loss when it touched to 48, right? Because I think, I know that most of the scalpers just follow the risk reward and ratio and set a stop loss level about minus 50 pips. Yeah, so market is very good players about controlling our trading psychology. Yeah, you think that's right? You think that too, right? Okay, so it's better for us to watch the chart closely and be patient, keep calm for these two phone signals. And let's calm and wait for today's New York session. It is Friday and we have 3 important news public at the same time. So it's not always to correct to have the same direction, same result like this. The same direction result like this. Sometimes, some news will be in red and some will be in green, right? So it will be killers for both sides, both buyers and sellers. So the best thing is wait around 5 to 10 minutes after a news release. And if you join in my VIP channel, you will receive the qualified scalping signal to trade news and trade all day. All right, once again, market told you they choose for the sellers. Yeah, they choose the seller. The closing price of this 5-minute candle closed below this neckline, right? And it's dropping down, but we do not dare to enter the sell signal once again because we had once stop loss hunting. Yeah, so that is how they play. Yeah, they play our mind because I know that you do not dare to re-enter for sell signal at this area once again because you already got trapped just 5 minutes ago. And when we do not enter, that is when the market allows us to win, and it follows to the correct lessons that we have learned about breakdown. Yeah, you can see that if we dare to re-enter again, it's 50 pips profit, right? But the chance is not for us. Okay, so today live stream session is not only the signal that we got today, and this is the case study. Yeah, the case study for every traders. They learn the trap from market because they know we do not dare to re-enter when we just falls into the trap 5 minutes ago. And when we do not dare to jump in that correct signal because it's correct to our technical analysis, right? And when we do not dare, market will go to the correct direction. We did the analysis. And it will cause us the regret. Yeah, the regret. And when that scenario happened once again, and when we see it, we enter for that analysis, for that strategy, once again, market again got trapped us. Yeah, so that's just how they play to our trading psychology. Indeed, it's hunting stop loss. Hi Bear, oh, long time no see you, my friend. Long time no see you. How are you? And I guess you're busy to prepare your big holiday right now, right? Or you busy with your work that you cannot join in my live stream on time? Okay, you can see that the current market, the current price is heading back to 44 to 45 price level once again. Yeah, but we really do not know its intention right now. But I guess that it will reverse for the bullish reaction, yeah, bullish momentum, because we see it continue to fall a very long low wick, but our mission is find ourselves a good buy position. Yeah, a good buy position. And I think that it's better for us to set the buy signal around 49, 35 to 32. Okay, so I hope that on my live stream session, not only the scalping signal you receive, but also the lesson, yeah, and case study when we watch the real-time chart, yeah, and we will have our trading experience and we will do it better in the near future. Oh, how are you right now, my friends? So I hope that you recover well. Have medicine and have hot tea. Yeah, lemongrass or ginger will help you to recover quickly from flu. BTC analysis. All right, yeah, we will stop watching gold and now we were heading to BTC. Yeah, gold market is really challenging, and big players, yeah, they use the overlapping time between the London to New York session to hunt, yeah, for liquidity. Okay, and as you can see, gold price is just heading down. Yeah, that's it. This arrows, yeah, this arrow was the line I draw on Monday. Yeah, around Monday last week. Yeah. So now in 1 hour time frame, you see that is forming a downtrend at the moment. Yeah, it's continuing for the downtrend at the moment. All right. And I think this bearish, yeah, the short-term downtrend will continue to happen, and we will watch for this rise level. Now let me mark it to you. Hang on a second. $67,600 level. Yeah, this one confluence between trend line and EMA 89. Yeah, will be our alert price zone for sell position. And in 1 hour time frame, yeah, you can see that it's half the downtrend, obviously like this, and most of the candles is still moving below EMA. Yeah, EMA ribbons. And when it touched to this dynamic support, dynamic resistance zone, like this EMA 89, yeah, it cannot break out and market forming a lower highs and lower lows. Alright, and it will heading down to below support zone. That's this area is kind of wide, around 65,000. Yeah, 65,000. Can it reach 40,000? I guess that you are looking forward to receive a good price. Yeah, good price to enter a buy position, right? To hold BTC. Okay, so let's see in the daily time frame, because that price zone is current far away from the current price level. In the short term, yeah, like I watch in what daily time frame, in 1 hour time frame, you will see, yeah, the upcoming reaction, yeah, of BTC price when it touched to the trend line and resistance zone. If it's continue got the bearish momentum, yeah, which means the bullish retraction, I think that when it's heading around to 75, yeah, around 60k, yeah, 60k once again, it's easily heading down to 52. One by one platform, yeah, one by one platforms, support zone will be break down if it's continue got the panic sell from the sellers. And you know, it's already divide into half. Yeah, if we compare with the peak price. And in the short term, the current price zone is still a good price, yeah, a good one for buyers to hold the short-term uptrend. Short-term buy position. Yeah, I hope you can understand what I mean. It's really a good price zone for everyone to hold for a short-term buy position. And let me zoom it out for you to see this daily candle. And you can see that today candles is already a bullish one. However, it's still touched and got the bearish rejection, a bullish rejection when it touched to 70k and 400, right? And it still told us, yeah, it's not time for us to enter this strong uptrend, because it cannot break the trend line. Yeah, it cannot break the trend line. It continue got the bearish momentum. All right, and you see it's moving narrowed. It's moving, getting more narrow in this channel. All right, let me delete it for you to see it clearer. A range of BTC, yeah, price zone of BTC is getting narrowed to this corner. When we connect this support zone, yeah, we will lengthen the support line to trend line. Yeah, this corner is getting more and more narrowed. And yeah, let's wait. If it's continued to break down from below support zone around 65k, yeah, I think in the very near future it will heading to 50k and 40. I think that when we have any important news relating to peace between US and other countries like Greenland, Denmark, yeah, Denmark, or Middle East countries, right? And it will not support for buyers from crypto anymore, and it will easily heading to 40k. But I think it will not happen, at least at the end of this month. Okay, and if you are intraday or short-term trader, you can wait for the reaction. Yeah, wait for the reaction to the significant price zone. Yeah, like I just marked to you in a 1 hour chart, and capitalize your profit from this movement. Okay, and like I told you, we will wait to set up the sell signal. Yeah, around 67K and 600. Yeah, there are two conditions between resistance zone, breakdown area, and EMA 89. Yeah, so that is my analysis, and if we want to have the further conclusion, yeah, we need to wait and continue to watch the trading view, especially how it reacts, yeah, to this barrier like resistance and trend line. All right, if it break out from 67K, yeah, obviously it's we're heading up, and the short-term uptrend, short-term recover will happen, but it's short-term anyway. Yeah, and you can watch for RSI as well. Yeah, RSI. You see that the RSI is heading up gradually to 60. Yeah, in the short term, the BTC price is still controlled by buyers, but yeah, this is the alert price zone for us to set up the sell signal. There's a lot of defend and seller stations is waiting around $67,600 level. All right. Breakdown area as well. Let me draw this for you. It was the starting for the bearish momentum. So if you are not sure, let's wait and see. Wait until 1 hour candle breakout from this key point. Okay, or it's got the retest, or it will coming back. Yeah, it's retrace and accumulating inside the channel. Let's wait. Okay, and currently it have the support from buyers, yeah, at 66K and 700. All right, this is the dynamic support zone for BTC to heading up, and it's still $500 distance to the current price to this resistance zone. Okay, so if you want to bet to the market, you can wait around 67K, yeah, to enter for the buy position, but in the short term. All right, anyway, we need to observe this price level. This is the key. Yeah, I marked this one for you, this circle. All right, I hope you are clear with the strategy to trade BTC. Okay, so let's come back to gold. What is happened? All right, 5 minutes. Oh, it didn't come back to this support zone around 34 to 35, right? And continue to its strong bullish momentum. Yeah. To fill this fair value gap. If we say this double top pattern it is false one, it's not correct because it had the short-term bearish momentum, but we cannot catch it on time. Yeah, we enter late and it reversed so quickly. Okay. Is it candle close second previous? Is this candle close second previous candle? What do you think? Are you talking about this one or this one, my friend? Nawa? Hello, are you still here? Can you explain your question? That's you. You think go more down? It depends to the upcoming economy result. Yeah, around 2 p.m. according to France time. And if this news is positive, yeah, today we will have CPI year over year. And if this news is positive for USD, yeah, for DXY, gold price is recover in the short term and immediately got a bearish pressure. And there's still a lot of resistance that gold need to conquer if it want to increase and recover to 5,000. The level I would like to note first is around 49.87, 67. Yeah, 49.67. This is the target in the short term. No, I didn't told you, Junior. Yeah, and I'm trying to explain my point of view, yeah, in today's New York session for gold market. Okay, so if you hold any position around 2:30 p.m. according to France time, UTC +2, you can close a part of your position and protect your profit and capital. All right, and that is my brief analysis for gold market. And okay, I will come back to BTC chart to reply your answer to your question, Nawa. Binance. Let's zoom it out. Oh, currently it's heading to a bearish, short-term bearish momentum. This candle close second. I just changed into BTC and now you ask me to explain gold. So what do you want me to, what assets you want me to explain, my friend? Oh, Junior, you lost 17K. Oh, you entered the signal by yourself or follow any signal? Wow, I think that you already watched the live stream. my live stream previously, and I announced to everyone that gold market is in high volatility, and we should manage our trading volume. Yeah, I advise you to lower the trading volume, but I don't know. Yeah, I'm not sure that you watch those live streams or not, because I still remember you. Yeah, you joined in my recent live stream session, and I'm not sure that you watched until that part of the live stream session or not. Yeah, I repeat many times in my live stream sessions that the market, especially gold, is still moving in high volatility. So we need to lower our trading volume a little bit if you want to trade safely. And we don't know when this situation will end. Yeah, so the only thing I can advise you is lower trading volume and do strictly to risk management. Okay, you think oh, I see. But how many percent if you compare with your total capital from 17K? But are you trading gold or BTC? You lost money from gold or BTC, my friend? Yeah, thank you so much, Sieber. However, the market's still challenging us. Yeah, so even though I have long time trading, experience trading, but sometimes I will get into the trap of the market. Yeah, so it will tell you that it's not always easy for us to trade, right? The only thing we can do is be disciplined and follow strictly to risk management. Okay, but I will try. Yeah, I will try in the near future that stay away from the trap. Yeah, stay away from the market trap and be more cautious to them. Okay, let's back to gold once again. Gold. Junior, my friend. So this time, I think you should take a rest, and today, you shouldn't trade anymore. Let's take a rest and wait until Monday if you get ready. Alright, if you get ready, then you come back to trade and recover slowly. Don't let the hurry destroy the rest of your account. Okay, I hope that you can understand what I mean. Because when we got panic and we're confused about everything, especially our strategy, that is when we easily get into the psychology trap from the market. Alright, and we cannot follow strictly and we stay away from discipline. Yeah, so today I advise you stop trading and let's take a rest until next week. And then you come back to trade with the market. Alright? And good luck, my friends. Okay, and now it's also beyond our time to live stream, but my friends join my live stream late. Okay, I will spend some minutes. Yeah, I will have some minutes for you to explain to my vision for gold strategy in today's New York session. Alright, as you can see, it's continued to form a very long upper wick. Yeah, and this one, we can identify the market's range from 52 to 63. So this is tell you that the market is not choose the clear direction so far. Alright. So if you want to enter any buy or sell position, you need to take a look carefully. All right, and in the 1 hour time frame, you see the current momentum is still the bullish one. However, if you want to looking for detail entry, detail entry, your setup must be clear, and you need to have the multiple observation from the bigger time frame to the smaller one. All right, and my observation for gold price is still heading to 49.63 and 49.44. 49.44. It's still moving in this range, and we're in the interaction, so we cannot FOMO, of course, right? But still watch closely. Set alert when the market moves to this price zone. And in the long term, gold price is still under a very strong bearish momentum because most of the candles is still lying below EMA ribbons. If it wants to recover and conquer 5,000, it needs a lot of effect, a lot of determination of the buyers to help gold to conquer 5,000 level. Okay, and it needs to break step by step resistance, like 60, 63 to 67, and 90, 90 or 80 or 90 or 5,000 if it wants to conquer the previous one. And one thing I need to alert to you: if it's break 5,000, it can easily fill this parallel gap. This parallel gap that happened yesterday New York session. All right, so continue to watch for this key level, and remember, near 2 hours later we will have 3 important news relating to CPI. All right, if this news is positive for the US, for USD once again, this will be the main factor that make gold under the panic sell once again. Okay, and if you want to receive the detailed trading signal to trade news with me, you can join in my VIP channel and wait for the qualified scalping signal I will set up in the VIP channel. Okay, is this okay for you to hear me during the speaking? So did we miss any part? I tried to explain to you, The only thing we need to wait is how it reacts when it touches to this resistance zone, around 49.67 to 63. And I think in today New York session, it will conquer 5,000. It will conquer 5,000 level once again.